Testimony resuming today in South Georgia in the federal hate crimes trial against Ahmaud Arbery's killers. The medical examiner taking the stand about 45 minutes ago. Ahmaud Arbery's family deciding to leave rather than see the images of their loved one who was shot multiple times. CBS 46's Hayley Mason live in Brunswick right now. You've been in the courtroom since the very beginning of this trial. Hayley, how was that for them to see some of these images?
Karen, it's difficult for a lot of us in the courtroom to see those really horrifying images and to hear the evidence about Ahmaud Arbery being killed. So you can only imagine how hard it must be for his parents and his loved ones to see it. So they stepped out just before the medical examiner took the stand. I am expecting it to be a demonstrative presentation at the very least. I know prosecutors just brought in a long shotgun in a box as the medical examiner prepared to take the stand. The key evidence today seems to be centered around proving the murder that happened in Satilla Shores. But the Arbery family had a few more supporters coming in with them today this morning after that jaw-dropping testimony came out yesterday detailing how each defendant consistently used racial slurs, derogatory language, and violent threats against black people. Well, today, these are some of the text messages that took center stage this morning. They're from Glynn County Police Officer Robert Rash, who testified that he suggested that the homeowner, Larry English, contact Greg McMichael if he saw a trespasser at his construction site. Rash said that he thought that since Greg McMichael had law enforcement training, that he would be a good person for Rash to keep in contact, for Larry English to keep in contact with. He said that he thought that McMichael would have called the police if he saw someone on the construction site. He never thought that Greg McMichael would have gotten a gun, gotten in his truck, and chased and threatened Arbery. That was Officer Rash testifying for the Department of Justice today. Ahmaud Arbery's parents spoke about that difficult day.
My thoughts is what I thought all along was true, that Travis killed Ahmaud, not because Ahmaud had committed a crime, it's because Ahmaud was black, and because Travis was truly a racist.
That should give everybody a wake-up call. You know what I'm saying? The world don't need people like them in this world. They hate black people that bad. It's a bad signal for this whole generation, this whole world. Not just the black people, it affects the white people too.
And as the medical examiner is on the stand, the Arbery family again did step out of the courtroom, but Lee McMichael, the mother and wife to the McMichaels, did remain on her side of the courtroom for that testimony. Earlier, a GBI forensic analyst testified that she found evidence of Ahmaud Arbery's t-shirt fibers on William Roddy Bryan's truck, which indicates that either the truck and Arbery made contact or that truck actually hit Arbery during that chase. We'll be bringing you more updates after the afternoon recess here on CBS 46 News. For now, reporting live outside the federal courthouse in Glynn County, Hayley Mason, CBS 46.